Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of everyday English conversations, focusing on eating-related topics. We're going to share some simple and fun conversations that revolve around food. From deciding what to cook to the joy of welcoming loved ones, as well as healthy food to healthy cooking recipes, it's all about learning English through the lens of daily life. Before we jump into that, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of our language learning adventures. Alright, let's get started and explore the world of English through the heartwarming conversations that happen in and around the kitchen. Join us on this language journey, and let's make learning English a delightful experience together. Lesson 1. At the kitchen. Hi sweetie, what would you like for dinner tonight?
I want spaghetti, Mom.
Sure, spaghetti sounds good. Do you want meatballs with it?
Yes, please. I like meatballs.
Great. Let's see if we have everything. Can you grab the pasta from the cupboard?
Okay, Mom. I found it.
Awesome. Now, I'll get the sauce from the pantry. Do you want the tomato or meat sauce?
Tomato sauce, please.
Got it. While I'm doing that, could you set the table with plates and forks?
Sure, Mom. I'll do it right now.
Thank you, sweetheart. We'll have yummy spaghetti in no time. Lesson 2. Teamwork.
Hey there, what are you two up to in the kitchen?
Hi, Dad. We're making spaghetti for dinner.
Spaghetti sounds delicious. Can I help with anything?
Sure, Dad. Can you check if we have enough bread for garlic bread?
Of course. I'll go check right away.
And, Dad, do we have any Parmesan cheese for sprinkling on top?
Let me check the fridge. Yes, we have some. Want me to grate it?
Yes, please, Dad. That would be great.
All right, I'll take care of the garlic bread and grate the cheese. Teamwork.
Thanks, Dad. Teamwork makes dinner awesome.
Lesson 3. At the dinner table.
This spaghetti looks so yummy.
I'm glad you think so, sweetie. Dad and I worked together to make it.
And don't forget the garlic bread and Parmesan cheese. All set.
Thanks, Dad. Wow, it's really good. Did we make the sauce from scratch, Mom?
Not this time, dear. We used the Jared sauce, but we added some extra spices to make it tasty.
How's the garlic bread?
It's crunchy and garlicky, just the way I like it.
I'm happy you enjoy it. What's your favorite part, sweetheart?
I think I love the meatballs the most.
Good choice. They add a nice flavor to the spaghetti. So, how was your day, everyone?
It was good, Dad. School was fun, and I played with my friends.
And mine was as usual.
That's nice to hear. Let's eat and chat more after dinner.
Lesson 4. After dinner.
Dinner was great, everyone. Thanks for helping.
It was yummy, Dad. What are we doing this weekend?
Well, sweetheart, I have a surprise. Guess who's coming to dinner on Saturday?
Who, Dad?
Your grandparents. They're coming to visit.
Really? That's awesome. I can't wait to see Grandma and Grandpa.
We thought it would be a nice surprise. They'll be here for dinner on Saturday night.
Yay! I'm so excited to welcome them and show them around.
They'll be thrilled to see you, too. We can plan something special for their visit.
I'll help clean and set the table. It's going to be a fun weekend.
Lesson 5. Special food for grandparents.
Mom, it's the weekend. Are Grandma and Grandpa coming today?
Yes, sweetie. They'll be here soon. Are you excited?
Super excited, Mom. What special foods are we making for them?
Well, Grandma loves homemade apple pie, and Grandpa likes roast chicken. How about we make those?
Sounds yummy. Can I help with anything?
Of course. You can help me peel the apples for the pie, and we can set the table together.
Great. I love apple pie. What else can we make?
Maybe we can make a simple salad and mashed potatoes. What do you think?
Perfect, Mom. I can't wait to see their happy faces when they taste the yummy food. Lesson 6: Running out of few ingredients.
Sweetheart, I was checking the kitchen, and it looks like we're running out of a few ingredients for the special dinner.
Oh no. What do we need, Mom?
We need more apples for the pie and some fresh chicken for the roast. Can you ask Dad to pick them up from the market?
Sure, Mom. I'll go tell Dad right away. Anything else we need?
Maybe some lettuce and potatoes for the salad and mashed potatoes. Thank you for helping, dear.
No problem, Mom. I'll make sure to tell Dad to get everything we need.
Hey sweetie, what are you doing here?
Hi, Dad. Mom needs a few things from the market for the special dinner. Can you get them?
Of course, sweetie. What do we need?
We need more apples for the pie, fresh chicken for the roast, lettuce for the salad, and potatoes for mashed potatoes.
Got it. I'll head to the market right now and make sure to get everything on the list. Thanks for letting me know.
Thanks, Dad. You're the best. The special dinner is going to be so yummy.
Lesson 7: Healthy Eating.
Hi, Jenny. How are you?
Hi, Rosie. I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm good too. You know, I've been thinking about eating healthier lately.
Oh, that's a great idea. What made you want to do that?
Well, I've noticed I feel tired a lot, and I heard that eating better can help with that. What do you think?
Absolutely. Eating healthy can give you more energy. What kinds of foods are you thinking of?
I want to eat more fruits and veggies, and maybe less junk food. What about you? Do you eat healthy?
I try my best. I like having salads with lots of colorful veggies. They taste good and are good for you.
That sounds nice. I need to find some healthy recipes. Do you have any favorites?
I love making smoothies with fruits and yogurt. It's quick and tasty. You should try it.
That sounds easy enough. I'll give it a shot. Thanks for the tip, Jenny.
No problem, Rosie. We can share healthy recipes and motivate each other.
Sounds like a plan. Let's do it.
Lesson 8: Discussing healthy dishes.
Hey Jenny, I tried making that smoothie you suggested. It was delicious. Do you have any other healthy dishes you like?
I'm glad you liked the smoothie. Well, I also enjoy grilled chicken with lots of colorful veggies. It's simple to make and really tasty.
Grilled chicken sounds good. I've been wanting to add more protein to my meals. How do you season it?
I usually use a bit of olive oil, lemon juice, and some herbs like oregano and thyme. It gives the chicken a nice flavor without adding too much extra stuff.
That sounds easy enough. I'll give it a try. What about snacks? I always get cravings for something crunchy.
I hear you. Instead of reaching for chips, I like to snack on mixed nuts or cut up veggies with hummus. It's a healthier option and still satisfies the crunch craving.
Nuts and veggies with hummus, got it. I'll add those to my shopping list. It's nice to have healthier snack options.
Absolutely. And remember, it's not about cutting everything out but finding tasty alternatives. What other dishes are you thinking of trying?
Well, I've been looking at some quinoa recipes. They say it's super nutritious. Do you cook with quinoa?
Yes, I do. Quinoa is great because it's high in protein. You can mix it with veggies and a lean protein source for a balanced meal.
Perfect. I'll explore some quinoa recipes. Thanks for sharing these ideas, Jenny. It's making my journey to healthy eating more exciting.
Anytime, Rosie. We can swap recipes and keep each other motivated. Healthy eating can be fun. Lesson 9: Cooking at home or takeaway meals.
Hey Jenny, I was wondering, do you usually cook at home or get takeaway meals?
Hi Rosie. I mostly cook at home. It's easier to control what goes into my food, you know?
Yeah, that makes sense. I sometimes feel lazy and end up ordering takeout. Is that bad?
Not at all. It's okay to treat yourself to takeaway once in a while. Just try to make healthy choices when you do.
Good point. What do you think makes cooking at home better?
Well, when you cook at home, you can choose fresh ingredients and control things like oil and salt. It's also usually cheaper than ordering food.
True. I guess I need to start cooking more. Any tips for someone who's not a pro in the kitchen?
Start with simple recipes. You don't need fancy stuff. Maybe try making a stir-fry with veggies and chicken, quick and tasty.
That sounds doable. I'll give it a shot. What about you? Any favorite easy recipes?
I like making pasta with tomato sauce and lots of veggies. It's quick, and you can customize it with your favorite veggies.
Pasta sounds good. I'll try that too. Thanks for the ideas, Jenny. Cooking at home seems less intimidating now.
No problem, Rosie. We can share more easy recipes. It's fun, and you'll feel good about what you eat. Lesson 10: Healthy cooking recipes.
Jenny, I've been trying to cook more at home. Do you have any super simple and healthy recipes?
Of course, Rosie. One easy recipe I love is a veggie stir-fry. Just chop up some colorful veggies like bell peppers, broccoli, and carrots. Stir them in a pan with a bit of oil and soy sauce. It's quick and full of good stuff.
That sounds easy enough. What about something for breakfast? I want to start my day with a healthy meal.
For breakfast, I often make yogurt parfaits. Just layer yogurt with your favorite fruits and a sprinkle of granola. It's tasty and gives you a good energy boost.
Yogurt parfaits sound delicious. I'll try that tomorrow. What else do you cook when you want something healthy?
Another favorite is a simple grilled chicken salad. Season some chicken with salt, pepper, and a bit of lemon juice. Grill it and toss it with fresh greens, tomatoes, and cucumbers. Healthy and satisfying.
Grilled chicken salad, got it. I'm excited to try these recipes. Thanks for keeping it easy, Jenny.
No problem, Rosie. Healthy cooking doesn't have to be complicated. We can share more recipes and make this cooking journey fun. Lesson 11: Easy healthy cooking recipes.
Jenny, I love the stir-fry and yogurt parfait. Got any more super simple and healthy recipes?
I'm glad you enjoyed them, Rosie. Another easy one is a tuna and veggie wrap. Just mix canned tuna with some mayo or Greek yogurt, and then wrap it in a whole grain tortilla with veggies like lettuce, tomatoes, and cucumbers.
Tuna wrap sounds tasty. Any ideas for a healthy snack? I need something for those afternoon cravings.
Sure thing. I like making apple slices with peanut butter. It's a satisfying combo of sweetness and crunch. Plus, it's quick to prepare.
Yum. I'll definitely try that. What about dinner? Any healthy ideas that don't take forever to cook?
One of my go-to dinners is baked salmon with a side of roasted sweet potatoes. Just season the salmon with some herbs, and toss the sweet potatoes in a bit of olive oil and roast them. Simple and delicious.
Baked salmon and sweet potatoes sounds like a great dinner. Thanks for sharing, Jenny. I appreciate these easy and healthy recipes.
No problem, Rosie. Cooking can be enjoyable and good for you. Let me know if you want more ideas or if you find a new favorite. That's a wrap for today's video on learning English through daily conversations. We hope you enjoyed joining our family in the kitchen and picking up some useful language along the way. If you found this video helpful or entertaining, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow language learners. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you won't miss any of our future language learning adventures. We love creating content that makes learning English a delightful experience for you. If you have any specific topics or scenarios you'd like us to cover in future videos, let us know in the comments below. Your feedback and suggestions mean the world to us. Thanks for being part of our language learning community. Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and most importantly, keep enjoying the journey of learning English with us. See you in the next video.